So we're looking to simplify this rational expression here. It has, exponents that are fractions, and we want to kind of, convert them into radical form expressions. Okay, so let's zoom in here and start by looking at this guy here. We're going to work with the numerator and denominator separately, but at the same time, in the sense that I'll work with the numerator first and the denominator and move on from there. So the first one is, you have this exponent of 1/3, and we're going to bring that into, each term or each factor inside the set of brackets there. So what I end up with is 7 to the power of a third times a negative 3 times a third, or just negative 3 over 3. Let me write that a little bit better. A negative 3 over 3 times b, and that's going to be 12 over 3. Same thing in the denominator. I'm going to write a common, I'm going to multiply my exponent into here. I'm going to get 16 1/2 times a negative 8 over 2 times b 12 over 2. And now I can simplify this. I'm going to just simplify the fractions and do any kind of rooting that I can. So for example, this here is going to be the cube root of 27. I'll write it like that first, and then times, we have a to the negative 1 times b to the 4. And that's all going to be, well, this will be the square root of 16. I'll write the 2 there. And this will be a to the negative 4 times b to the 6. So what can we do here? Well, the cube root of 27 is 3. A to the negative 1 minus negative 4. Remember, I'm dividing two powers with the same base, so I have to subtract the exponents. And same with b. I have b to the 4 minus 6. And that'll all be over the square root of 16, which is 4. So let's continue and simplify. So I have 3/4. I'm going to write that to the side of my coefficient, times a to the, negative 1 plus 4, a to the 3. And then I'm going to have b to the negative 2. And if you recall, again, negative value means, we want to express this as positive exponent, so the negative value means it goes underneath. And I'm going to have 3a cubed over 4b squared. Okay, so again, I just rewrote this part here as 1 over b squared, and I multiplied everything together to put it over one fraction. Okay, remember, this is a cubed over 1. That's 1 over b squared. Combine it together and you get your resulting fraction there. So there is our initial expression simplified with positive exponents.